going to be talking about the mixture of pure henna and indigo. So, indigo is able to attach to pure henna to give you a deepened, darker color. So these two ingredients are what we use to get our brown colors and our jet black. But today I'm going to be addressing our browns because we have three different shades. So we have our light brown, our medium brown, and our dark brown. So many of you might wonder how we get the variation in the colors, lighter to darker, if we're using the same ingredients. So our dark brown, for example, is a two-step process, whereas the light brown and the medium brown are one step. The light brown and medium brown is one package of powder that is a mixture of pure henna and indigo. So the light brown has less indigo than the medium brown. The medium brown has more indigo to get a deeper color. Whereas this dark brown is a two-step process. So this is simply pure henna powder and then indigo powder. So it's two different powder bags, and then you do like the first step, put the pure henna on, let that sit, wash that out, and then the second step you put indigo on, let it sit, wash that out, and you'll get a deeper color. A lot of people like to add amla powder to their mixture. No matter what color, this is a great softening hair growth repair mask to mix in with that henna mixture just to make your hair look soft and great and more vibrant. Stick around and I will tell you if it will cover grays in one step.